they haven't taken time to actually create this beast inside them of who cares. Okay guys, welcome back. So I do have like a thingy, like a gaming prime thingy where whatever, I used to game a lot, and then I used to work in this place, and it's like for gamers and like nerds, so I can show you guys. I hate when my hair is uneven, but technically there's a bunch of people that come here, and then yeah, I'm here by myself. I have this spider shirt that I got from my friend. She gifted to me from kids section. So you tell me, is that a compliment? Because that's a fucking compliment. But like, yeah, so I'm hanging around here. I do have this. So I technically bought tickets for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. But yeah, so this time it's kind of small. It's a lot smaller than before. The one we were in summer, it was very big. You can see just people gaming, doing their thing, watching, eating, playing all different types of gamings and stuff like that. But yeah, so technically it starts from there and then it continues all the way here. And there's like different competitions, different things like that. Okay, so I think this is so much better. I am super excited for this thingy. I came here by myself, which is crazy because usually I'm always with someone. But I was supposed to come here with a friend, but then something happened and it was like, yeah, things happen. Things really do happen. I want to show you guys my fit. I'm in the toilet. Show you guys my fit. I'm super excited to show you guys what I do here and see what fairies do. But I get that is pretty regular in here. Definitely the most regular thing. I don't know, it's kind of like you don't really know what you see. Because here, like, there was a bunch of guys just staring at the boobs and like touching the ass. There was a mouse like pad version of that. So that was kind of funny. That was so funny. I was like, And then they gave me like the weirdest look. So apparently there's a cosplay like competition. I don't see so many people that actually are doing cosplay besides the ones that are in the competition, because last time there was so many and I had like 700 photos of each. Okay guys, so I did watch a show where people dressed and then they were dressing as, they were cosplaying. I don't know what the anime was, but it was something with cafe something. It was very cute. I took the video. That's the video that I saw. I have been trying to take as many photos with cosplayers as possible. I don't know what is it with me with that, but I do that quite often. Even if I go to the city and then I just see people like cosplaying, I'm gonna just ask them like, hey, can I take a photo? Even when they're wearing furries, like even when they're identifying themselves as furries, I still take photos of them. I don't know, I think I don't support furries, but I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. It's a funny thing. Because they took time and effort to like dress themselves as that. So yeah, I will do more photos than ever. I will literally take photos with a cat if I need to. But yeah. Oh, I want to take photos with that guy. Yeah, but he's doing his deed, so I'm not even gonna bother. But
saa tulla tässä. Emolin tiimi sieltä.
Hey, hi guys, this is Nelly.
Sitä valintaa.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Yksi vaihtoehto. Tässä oli...
I don't know. I don't like it.
No,
50-60.
Okay guys, welcome back. Okay guys, so right now I am eating food because it's almost 5 and this girl has not eaten anything and I think I'm starving. I'm genuinely starving. So there's people out there, everybody is doing their own thing and then I'm here with my spider shirt. And now I'm eating. Let me eat. What I have right now is bread. I don't even know what the bread's name is. And yeah, there's some cucumbers in the bread, some cheese. Guys, I'm literally alone in a fucking gaming thingy. Can you believe that? I'm gonna call my mom. Mommy!
Hukki suoraan Sigmaan ja tällä hetkellä payloadin hyväksi.
It is a lot smaller than last time. This one is quite small. There's not many like partners that are involved in this same like events. The girl that I did the Red Bull like tryout with, she's one of those people. These are events that I like. I like events that kind of relate to me in some way or another. I don't know if you can guys hear me, but I did play video games so much as a kid and I think that version of me is still here till this day. Yeah, it is different. It's not like I do still enjoy playing video games. I do sometimes play Valorant and CS and Apex, Overwatch and etc. or Call of Duty, but not as consistently as I usually do. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. I found somewhere very quiet because it's quite loud everywhere. So I took a bunch of photos with people. I wanted to take a photo with this cosplay. It was so crazy. He was a crow. He was a real life crow. The blackbird. I don't remember and it's pissing me off. Let me Google real fast. Crow. Like I don't remember what like movie or anime. He is a crow, like a real life crow, and then he has the fit. Okay, my audio just died from my mic, so I'm gonna talk like this. But apparently he's a real life crow and I wanna find that person and I didn't. And I feel like when I leave, he's gone and that's gonna be crazy. But I'm super grateful. I'm heading home now and then maybe I will come later. My phone is quite far. But you guys, what I just got. Huge thing, right? Let me show you because I'm as excited as you guys are. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Tell me this is not a W, guys. Okay. So if you guys haters are trying to say something to me, think twice. Because your girl has got big knife. Okay. So this is big. This is super big and it's aesthetically pleasing and it's quite stable, so I am as happy as you guys are for me, right? I'm just waiting for my mom's reaction because she wants the best for me. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Life is going good. Life is always good when you got Lord with you. So yeah. So the people were so nice. Actually, I was in the toilet and then this girl walked in because my door was not closed and she was like, "Are you finished?" I'm like, "Excuse me? I forgot to even close the door." Okay guys, so I'm super happy for you guys to watch this small little piece. I'm super grateful for today. Go to that event by yourself. Okay, if you want to go to a place, if you want to go to an event, if you want to do whatever, go by yourself, guys. If you don't have anyone that is able to come with you or doesn't have mutual interest to get, to get going with you, then that's the sign for you to actually head by yourself. It is scary. It is, what if something happens? Who can I rely on? But you know what's even worse than being scared? Not having the experience to go. So you're just around here doing what? Afraid to execute by yourself. You're your own best company, and that's all you have. You need to start enjoying your own company so that you can appreciate other people even more. Am I correct, guys? I am. A photo, I asked someone to take a photo with me, of me, when I was like with this cosplay. I was like, hey, like, do you mind holding my stuff? And then he held my the Osmo Pocket 3, and then he was like, ow. And he was like, oh my god, I always wanted this. Oh my god, this would be the handiest thing ever. I'm like, bro, this is so handy dandy. I recommend you get it. And he was so nice, and the girls were so nice. I'm gonna put all the photos like here. Smash, right? Right. And yeah, that was the important thing. If you want to go to places, you don't have people to go out with you, because it could be you guys don't have the mutual interest to go to places and etc. And maybe they don't like the stuff that you like, or they're just not as interested, or simply stuff like that. You shouldn't decide not to go because someone else is not coming with you. I think you should always go to places that you want to go to, even if it takes you to go by yourself. God created us alone, and he didn't create us to rely on people for them to come with us everywhere. Like, imagine me asking my mom every time to go out with me to the shop. That would be ridiculous. So why not just take the extra step and just go by yourself if you don't have anyone else to go with you? Like, a couple of days back, I told my friend, I was like, yeah, like, I just went solo on a trip. It was a quick trip. And then she told me, she was like, you know what, that's actually quite brave that you can go by yourself. I was like, what do you mean? Because to me, it's normal to go by myself. Obviously, I do have like some butterflies and like stuff like that, just like, should I even go, or you know what, it's an automatic thing. I just go. I'm like, you know what, if someone says no to me, I'ma just go. That motivates me to do even more. You know what, I can do this, I can enjoy this time by myself, and etc. But so my friend said that, I mean, one of my oldest friends. And then I was like, what do you mean? And she was like, yeah, like, people they're not capable of doing that. I was like, bro, what the hell do you mean? And she was like, some people are scared to go by themselves because they don't have, like, or they haven't taken time to actually create this beast inside them of who cares. Because I know people think if you go by yourself, you're vulnerable. Like, people may view you as you're vulnerable, or like, oh, she's so lonely, like, you know what, oh, he's so lonely, or something like that. So people fear that. People don't like the idea that they have created in their brain of when they're seen by themselves alone in somewhere. I think it's the other way around. I think if I see someone doing things by themselves, I think they're very strong and confident, and I think they're very set in themselves, like, they know who they are. And when you become your higher self, when you're heading to that phase, you are gonna get lonely, and you're gonna not, like, people are just gonna disappear from your life all of a sudden. And it takes time to find people that have mutual interest in life, like different hobbies and stuff like that. So you need to be patient and just keep doing what you like to do, and don't miss out on opportunities. Opportunities come and go, but guys, if I didn't come by myself today, I would literally sit in my bed for 2 weeks straight. I'm like, why didn't I go? Because I met amazing people around here. Like, people are so fucking sick and so, like, chill. It's like, bro, these people are so, I don't even know how to say it. They just mind their own business, and when they mind their own business, it's very, like, they mean it. they wouldn't judge you, because why would they? And everybody's like doing their own thing and enjoying their own thing, and it's very inspiring. But just having this moment of appreciation and enjoying the stuff that I wish I did more as a child. Like, can you believe that? I have adult money and now I have access to do whatever I want. Like, that's crazy. I'm gonna take advantage of that so much, to the point, because God gave me this opportunity. God gave you the opportunity to buy a ticket to whatever concert or festival or event that you want to go to. Why are you not doing that? And why are you waiting for people to come with you when you can definitely do it by yourself? Obviously, it is a nice thing to have people, and it's more enjoyable. I'm not gonna lie, it's more enjoyable to have someone with you who has mutual interests and stuff like that. But if you don't have that, which is very sometimes unfortunate, you just have to go by yourself. And sometimes you do have people that go out with you and do have like same interests and stuff like that, but sometimes you should do it by yourself. Like, sometimes say f it and hey, I should do this by myself, and go do it, because you're gonna open something in your brain and like your body chemicals that you didn't know you were capable of doing. So I don't know, go to that event by yourself. If you don't have anyone to go with you, don't skip that event. Like, don't just say, oh, I shouldn't go because I'm gonna be there alone. Go meet new people, open new doors for yourself by meeting new amazing people. Guys, I'm not saying, obviously this is an evil world, but it is even more precious than you guys think. People actually love people. They love meeting new people, they love meeting new stuff, like talking about different subjects, and all these things. The more people you meet, the more opportunities you meet. So I hope you guys enjoy this bit, and I hope I see you guys very soon in different events. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Guys, these things help me a lot. They help me so much. They keep me motivated to reach for the highest mountain. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye bye.